So today I thought we'd take a look at this Weber SmokeFire shelf. It's for the EX4. This is what it looks like. Let's open it up and see what all's in the box. This is supposed to be tool free. Let's just see how easy it is to assemble. So we got our bracket. We got our shelf. We got the rod. And the instructions. That's all trash. We do have a little hardware bag here on the back of the shelf. We'll set all this aside and then we'll get the grill cover off. This is a pretty good grill cover to be so cheap. If you're interested, there'll be a link in the description for both of these, the shelf as well as the grill cover. So we see this bracket has slots where it fits on these shoulder bolts. They look like button head shoulder bolts. So Weber was definitely thinking ahead on that. The first thing I'm going to do is get the little rubber bumpers. It comes with two of the round rubber bumpers in the bag. And these things are pretty hard to get in, so I struggled with that one. You really couldn't see much. I'll show this one here a little better, hopefully. You don't want to just fit straight in. I kind of put it in at an angle and twisted it like I was trying to turn it in, and it finally popped in. Maybe a drop of Teflon Super Lube would have worked okay as well, but it wasn't too bad. And now this bracket just lines up on those shoulder bolts and slides and locks in place. That's pretty simple. We'll take the shelf. It's going to go like so. I'm going to go ahead and get the two bushings out. And the only thing that's left is this little key ring style retainer. So we'll take one bushing and go with the larger diameter side first. Put it on the rod like so. We'll insert the rod in from the right hand side. Another set of hands could be handy here to help you hold that in place. But you can definitely do this by yourself, at least on this EX4. It's short enough that you can do it yourself if you need to, like so. And just get the shaft and push it through the hole. On the left side, we'll put our bushing in, we'll line it up. Bushing goes in. Oop, I pushed the shaft too far. Let me slide the shaft back through. There we go. Now we can put our retaining ring on there. And man, in just a few minutes, we're done. Pretty neat. This shelf will hold up to 20 pounds, so it's a decent capacity to be a fold away. It's such an easy to install shelf. I've been needing some extra room here on this grill, so it's going to be very handy. And we also have the built-in top rack holder. You can hang it down like so. I believe the instructions actually have it turned the other way, but it seems like it'll hang either way. It does mention in the instructions to remove the grate before you open the ash and grease system drawer. As I pull mine forward, I can access the drawer if you need to, but you can always take it off as well. So guys, it was really just that easy. It's going to be very handy to have. So I just wanted to take a little look at it today. It was around $86 on Amazon when I purchased this one. Just make sure you get the right one for your model. This is the EX4. As mentioned, they make one for the EX6 as well. This one has some pretty good reviews, as we'll see, for easy to install and sturdiness and the value. And I feel the same way about it. I'm really looking forward to using this one. And they also make the side table if you're interested. It's more than likely a bolt-on because that's where my handle is bolted on. Just wanted to share that if you're interested as well. And just by the way, if you're interested in what I have up here on the shelf and haven't seen it yet, I do have a little variable vibra feeder that I have on the back of my hopper. I just have magnets on it, holding it on there. To try to help with bridging issues that does happen from time to time. I do already have the 2nd gen hardware installed on this grill. This was originally a Gen 1 grill with some issues. And I did share a little bit about this in the repair video of this grill. I'll link it in up in the top right corner, as well as the end of the video if you're interested. I hope you found the video helpful today. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to have a link to some of these items down in the video description. If you find it helpful, any of those links you click on are affiliate links and they help support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. So thanks so much for watching, and God bless.